konnichiwa, ohayo, or konbanwa.
This trip has proved to me that going to the CIA has been the best decision of my life.
This program was the most specific training in my education that I've had.
This experience definitely helped me solidify my path as a chef and as a person.
I was so grateful to be able to take this trip.
I've grown so much I can't even recognize myself before this, right?
I just feel like I'm growing a lot as a person. I feel like everything I've learned here is really shaping who I am.
I think this program has just opened my mind to a world of hope.
I think this trip has helped me grow as a chef, just appreciation for their craft.
It is about understanding Japanese culture, society, and also its people, understanding the gratitude they have towards nature, water, and also their cuisine.
The care, the detail, the true craft that these people have for their food, their jobs, their professions, their passion.
I've always loved Japanese food. I've always worked in Japanese food, but after this program, I have a deeper appreciation for it than I ever did just working in it.
There's something about hearing about Japanese cuisine. It's another thing to experience it.
I mean, Japan completely took my heart.
When I came to the CIA, we were exposed to a lot of different cuisines. Coming to Japan, it helped me decide that I really wanted to pursue Japanese cuisine in my future.
I believe I learned a lot of really precise knife skills and techniques.
I've grown a lot in terms of gaining techniques, skills, and knowledge from masters in the cuisines that I've been studying.
I think anybody would be lucky to be so passionate about something, and that's probably my biggest takeaway, is this looking at Japanese cuisine from that aspect, Japanese culture from that aspect. It's something I want to strive to. It's like something I want to be.
My favorite experience was the okonomiyaki experience. I know that was day one. This is the perfect example of hospitality and just how beautiful Japanese people are. They learned our national anthem.
My favorite experience was probably going to the tea fields, being able to actually see the tea that was grown and how that was processed into the tea that we drink.
So my favorite experience of this trip was really going to the Nara temple and seeing the deers.
Would have to be the tamaki dinner. That was a lot of fun. I loved having the little pouch of seaweed to carry around and just throw whatever I wanted in it. I think that was fantastic, and all the food was delicious.
Some advice I would give to someone who's looking to go on this trip is be willing to learn, be willing to accept anything that is different from what you're used to, because it's an entirely different culture. To enter it with an open mind, and you'll love it.
Just the level of access we get due to connections of our sponsors is crazy.
Thank you to all the sponsors. This is gotta be one of the happiest times of my life.
I want to thank all the sponsors. Genuinely thank you to everybody who supported this program.
The sponsorship is so important. It's gonna change my life.
It's been unbelievable. I think I'll take this with me my entire life.
Blew my mind. All of it.